Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of e-commerce and exploring a powerful tools for Shopify store owner, Google Merchant Center. If you are running a Shopify store, you know the importance of getting your product seen by potential customers. Google Merchant Center can be your secret weapon for achieving just that. But what exactly is Google Merchant Center and how can it benefit your Shopify business? Let's break it down. What is Google Merchant Center? Google Merchant Center is a free platform that allows you to submit product information to Google. This information is then used to populate Google Shopping ads, product listing in search result and others Google surveys. Benefit of using Google Merchant Center for Shopify store. Here's why Google Merchant Center should be on your Shopify toolbox. Increased visibility. By submitting your product to Google Merchant Center, you are exponentially increasing their visibility. Imagine your product showing up on Google Shopping searches or alongside relevant search terms. That's targeted advertising at its finest. Enhance potential listing. Google Merchant Center allows you to provide rich product information, including high quality images, descriptions and specification. This creates a more professional and informative shopping experience for potential customers, increasing their trust and likelihood to purchase. Targeted advertising. Google Merchant Center integrates seamlessly with Google Ads, allowing you to create a targeted shopping campaigns reach customers who are actively searching for products like yours, leading to higher conversion rate and a better return on your ad spend. Data and insight. Google Merchant Center provides valuable data and insight into how your product are performing in Google search and shopping. You can see which product are getting click, impression and conversion, allowing you to optimize your campaign for better result. Improve organic ranking. While not a direct benefit, a well-optimized Google Merchant Center feed with accurate product information can contribute to a better overall user experience on your website. This can potentially improve your website organic ranking in the search result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.